We'll know what's new in the new version of Tesla SCADA 2 version 69. The main feature we added in the new version is possibility to add layers to the screen. In the new version we changed some features for working with screen window. Now it's to call screen you have to click one time instead of two times, and when you click two times you open screen properties. Here you can click collection and add layers, but there is a more easy way to do this. Right click on the screen you want to add the layer and click new layer. Double click and rename. For example, we add layers motors in our project. And from the main screen, we cut motors and add to the layer. Align these motors, and now you can close or make invisible or visible this motor by check and uncheck this layer. And let's add two other layers. For example, one layer will be for valves, and other for sensors. And let's copy from the main screen these graphical objects. For example, from sensors, we add to them layer sensors. And now you can work with these layers by making them invisible or visible. And for example, if you want to create new screen based on this one, you click copy, rename our screen to house 2, rename data because we use indirect text binding. It's described in previous video. And now in house 2, let's, for example, remove sensors. We don't want to use in house 2 sensors. We can make it invisible or delete these sensors. And because we use indirect text, we can just copy house 1 and text created with house 2 and one alarm name. For example, for speed, it looks like group, subgroup, and speed. And in the house 2, for example, screens house 2, it will look binding like screen data house 2 and name of our graphical objects, in our case M10 speed. And it's bind to the indirectly. Now but we already create the project based on these changes. We create another button to move to the other screen, and in the scripts we change add curve. For example, we add to the text curve name based on the name of the house and house number and name of our motor speed. And now you can add curves. Let's open this project on Tesla SCADA runtime and show how it works. We connect to our simulator, move to screen 2, and it's shown. We change speed. Let's open, because we use multi-popup, it's opened. Two screen pop-ups. And now we add new feature to this text is quality of the text. For example, if you stop the simulator of Modbus and connection is lost, you can see triangles on the screen. You can see the quality become bad and will be shown this red square. Here it's also in the first house screen, also is changed to the bad quality. And when we start again our simulator, it's become normal showing. Also in the new version we add possibility to the cloud, we add deadband to send new text values with some hysteresis, and we add possibility to change update interval because sometimes it's too fast updating and overload servers, our servers. Now we add some possibilities to in the handle our objects. You can choose objects by Ctrl A, choosing Ctrl A. When we choose the layer, when you click Ctrl A or in Command A on macOS, it will be chosen only all of the objects of the layer. Also, you can change scale by holding Ctrl and using wheel of the button. That's all. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to ask by email now.